What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a 2008 Toyota 4Runner door panel. And the reason I'm doing that is because you can see there's a bunch of primer on the car and it still needs a little bit more body filler and stuff, but 4Runner is getting all the dents repaired. Well, I repaired all the dents, but it is going to be getting painted soon. So I'm going to remove everything, but this is going to be how to remove your door panel slash your mirror. So what you're going to do first is there's going to be a little clip that goes in here. You're going to remove that. I just used a flathead. Then after that, you're going to pop off this little piece that goes inside the handle. How I got that off was I got a flathead, kind of started back there and popped it, and then went down right here, kind of popped it. And then you'll be removing a screw. Next part, you're gonna come over here to this piece, and that is gonna look like this. Same kind of thing. Kind of just take the flathead, pop up, and then pop it, go around and pop it loose. And it should just pop free. You're gonna be taking a screw out of there. So that's gonna be this screw. And then from there, you're gonna just kind of stick your, I mean, you can use a flathead, but I recommend using some sort of plastic, hard plastic to kind of pop it so you don't scratch your paint. If you care about your paint, as you can see, I scratched it when I was trying to get mine off. So if you don't want to do that, and then yeah, just take some sort of plastic and then piece to pop it out. And you're gonna be popping out all those. So there's a bunch of them in there, as you can see. And then you're gonna work your way around, popping them loose all around. And then what you're gonna do is kind of just push up. Oh, I must have popped one back on. Again, trying to do this one-handed. It's not fun. And there's your door panel. So that's how you take it off. And if you're gonna take it completely apart, you're gonna have to undo all of these. So as you can see, there's a little wire connect there, one for your lights, and then the door. So if that's what you want to do, yeah, you'll just have to, slowly take it apart. But for my reasoning is to take off the mirror. So if you're trying to get your mirror off, that's how you remove the door panel to get to your mirror. And then you're gonna use a 10mm socket to take these out. As you can see, that fits perfect. So there's gonna be 3 of them. And then, yeah, your mirror should just come off. So, yeah, there's gonna be a wire you're gonna have to unplug down here too for your mirror. Because again, it's electronic, so you can adjust it. It's gonna be like that on both sides. So you're gonna have to unplug that and then just pull it through. So yeah, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and have a good day. Thank you for watching 303 Streets, and have a good day. Thank you.